Hi, this is my first tech slash gadget review, and this is my first attempt. So, being a audiophile slash music lover myself, so I'm really into headsets, headphones, because I really love music, and when I'm working, I never work without music. It helps me concentrate. So this will be my first product gadget review, and the first product that I have purchased most recently, just today actually, just came from Lazada. Their 9 9.9 sale. So I acquired this Beats Studio Buds at a discounted price. I will send the price in the link below, and the original price and the discounted price actually. So I got this in a discount, at a discount, and actually this is not my first Beats product. I've been a Beats user since I think 2015. My first Beats product was the Beats Studio. Beats Studio, yeah, and it's the overhead headphones, and then after that I switched to Power Beats for exercise-oriented headphones, and this is my first earbuds actually, Beats earbuds. I've had an earbuds, but it wasn't Beats, and this is my first Beats earbuds product that I bought, and it really convinced me to buy when this came out on YouTube, the first release, and I saw the design. I was really instantly attracted to it, so I told myself if ever it will be released here in Singapore, I'm gonna be one of the first ones to get it. So good thing, I think this one was released a month ago here in Singapore, and just in time with the Lazada 9.9 sale. It was there in their website, so I was able to cop at a discounted price. Okay, so now we are going to do an unboxing, and quick unboxing, and let's get to it. So nothing fancy here, standard Beats packaging. It's usually when Beats is having a Beats products have their packaged smartly and neatly designed, and in a way you will enjoy the unboxing experience. So let's go. Let's take out this box over here, and you see there standard paperwork, Beats paperwork, and you can see here headset, and then here's the charging cable. It says there fast fuel 5 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Pretty impressive. And as you can see, that the reason why is that due to the length of this cable, it's quite short. Later on we'll show you how short how long and short it is. And okay, that's your standard Beats manual or people. Actually, the manual is here. It's a quick guide, quick start guide, and then later on we'll go through together. And of course, as with all these products, they have their big logo sticker. You stick it in your MacBook or laptop or anywhere you want it. And then some safety and handling instructions over here. There's this warranty maybe. Apple Music. And because Beats is already part of Apple. Apple bought Beats from Dr. Dre. Not really sure what year is it, but it was really a big deal when Dr. Dre was able to sell to Apple. Anyway, here is the case, and let's open it up. There you go. Now the color I chose this time around is red, because my first earbuds color was black. So this time around I chose a more attention grabbing color, and it's quite unisex actually. Red, girls can use it. Oh, look at that. When I tried to open for the first time, instantly this, maybe it's a Bluetooth pairing light, not sure. So you can see here the headset itself, or the earbuds itself, pretty shiny. Okay, I think this is how you pull it out. It's pretty small actually. It's even smaller with my first earbuds. And, it's really small. It's quite surprised how small it is compared to the case. That's the case over there. This is the charging and storage case at the same time. So when you're storing your headset, it will automatically charge. We close that one, and we get to the headphones. Ooh, you see that? It's magnetic. Maybe for safety, or for, yeah, I think it's more of safety, because it's easy to lose one of these due to their size. And yep, let's try and pair. Bring your Beats Studio Earbuds close to this Android device and open the lid. Oop, sorry about that. Quite clumsy. Okay, has to be opened, says there. So it's connected. Okay, off. What does it mean off? Oh, it could be that. Okay, I'll figure this out later on, but then that's about it. That's how easy you could connect the product to your phone, and using the Beats app, and it's much more easier actually. So I'm gonna have to figure it out later on, and how to use it. I'm gonna give a review also about the sound quality of the headset once I'm starting to be able to use it. And that's it for my first unboxing review for the Beats Studio Buds, and hope you like it, and hope to click the like button. And if you have any comments or questions, and just drop it in the comments below. Thank you.